Are you looking for the best ice cleats for winter traction? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best ice cleats for winter traction on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Overall Snow and Ice Cleats. The Kotula Micro Spikes are crampon-style winter traction cleats that provide excellent traction for deep snow and thick ice. Each foot has 12 spikes that protrude 3/8, making them perfect for winter hiking, chopping wood, and working on soft surfaces like dirt. They are relatively easy to put on, requiring the user to stretch the rubber body around their boot or shoe. Once on, they stay in place securely and don't slide around or feel like they will come off. Our reviewer noted, these just feel much higher quality than most of the other cleats. And they gave me the most confidence when on icy terrain. The stainless steel points are strong and will easily last multiple winters. These robust snow spikes are heavier and bulkier than some other options, but they provide better traction than any other product we tested. That said, the large spikes make them uncomfortable and awkward to use on firm surfaces like concrete with just a dusting of snow. These are best used in deep snow, on thick ice, and where the surface underneath the snow or ice is soft, like hiking trails and dirt roads. The micro spikes are hands down the best snow grip option out there for users who live in harsh winter climates. However, if you're just looking for a pair to cruise across campus to class or walk the dog in winter, the Yanitrax Walk may be what you're looking for. Number 2. Best Bang for the Buck. The Yanitrax Walk was one of the first snow grips on the market, and its design has changed very little over the years. It features zinc-plated steel coils wrapped around rubber under the foot, and the coils dig into snow, ice, and even dirt and rock. These work very well on shallow snow or thin ice over firm surfaces like pavement. Our tester found, these felt great on both ice and dry pavement. Many other cleats lack that versatility. They are also easy to put on, lightweight, and pack down to a very small size. The icing on the cake? They are very reasonably priced. However, the coil design doesn't work so well in deep snow, where crampon-style spikes with larger points are more appropriate. The coils also aren't very comfortable when running because they protrude from the bottom of the shoe, creating an uneven landing surface. But aside from these niche uses, the Walk are great for most everyday winter uses on slippery urban surfaces. And for the price, these are the best option out there for users expecting mostly light-duty winter walking. If you're looking for a pair for running, check out the Kotula Nano Spikes. Specifications.
That's how you would put it on, and it's super.
Measured weight, per pair, 471 g 16.6 ounces. Number of points 18. Grip style crampon. Spike material stainless steel. Number 3. Best for winter running. The Kotula Nano Spikes are low-profile cleats that feature 10 small metal points protruding less than 1/4, providing enough traction to prevent sliding on packed snow and thinly iced surfaces. They are also lightweight, making them almost unnoticeable. As our tester points out, many cleats feel burly like you have snow chains on your feet. But these are barely noticeable. The points are deliberately placed for maximum traction and stability when landing on each foot. They are easy to put on and stay securely placed, adding up to a great option for anyone who can't fathom not running, even in the winter months. This style of snow grip works decently well in deep snow but not nearly as well as crampon-style points. And since the points don't protrude deeply into the ground, they are not ideal for use on soft ground surfaces like steep, unfrozen dirt trails. If the ground moves just a little bit, the points no longer have any purchase. They're also relatively expensive, especially considering their limited versatility. This pair is a specialty product that winter runners will cherish, but other users should check out different options. The Kotula Exo Spikes are a great versatile pair capable of handling both ice and slightly deeper snow. Specifications. Measured weight, per pair, 255 g 9.0 ounces. Number of points 10. Grip style cleat. Spike material tungsten carbide.